some people are just too hungry for friendship, you know. You need to be able to enjoy your own company and deal with things on your own. Yes, you need friends, but you need to get to know people before you put them into your circle. So when I see people, as soon as they meet me, they want to be buddies. That's not my style. I'm sorry, I know my style. That it took me a while to get to know people, and even when I get to know people, you can be pleasant, you know, because you're in the workplace and so, but you want to be this close buddy thing. Where do you get that from? Maybe because up here brothers may have, or I grew up with only brothers, I have sisters, but I didn't grow up with my sisters. But why women just want this extra friendly thing with other women in the workplace? You're telling them all your secrets, they know everything about you. Every move you make, you're telling people what you're going to do. No man, you need to control yourself and keep things in your mind sometime, you know. You don't just out there with everything. So